The Pellethead Independence PS21 Stove delivers strong, even heat output that comfortably covers medium to larger living spaces, making it a practical primary or supplemental heat source. Its efficient pellet burn and modern combustion design help reduce fuel waste and ash, so you spend more time enjoying the warmth and less time cleaning. Built-in touchscreen controls, Wi-Fi connectivity, and remote operation make day-to-day use surprisingly convenient, especially when you want to adjust heat levels without leaving the couch. Compatibility with an external battery backup gives this stove real peace of mind during power outages, keeping heat going when you need it most. The option to use the included black panels or swap in your own ceramic tiles lets you tailor the stove's appearance to your room instead of being stuck with a single factory look. EPA certification and a long warranty backing show that Pellethead designed the PS21 with both environmental responsibility and long-term reliability in mind.